little organizer case, super glues, my magnifying visor, and then more neck templates, straight edges and scale rulers, all that good stuff. And then you can kind of see what's going on right there. Anyway, I had a pile of tape over here on top of the bench. I'm going to make a little dispenser, just do some sort of a channel out of some wood and then hook a hacksaw blade up to it just as an edge to tear the tape over, just so it's kind of all in the same spot. And I was wondering about what to do with all the different sandpapers and kind of organizing things. My wife came up with this idea, which I think is great. Just put them in folders, and so I've got like a couple different grades or grits in each folder. And then I went ahead while I was at it and organized my wiring diagrams and receipts and different things. Oh, I wandered off with my camera, sorry. So all this junk. It's a nice little setup, a jigsaw and a planer, and it rotates, so whichever tool you're using, you just flip the thing and it spins around. Those hip shot tuners for the guitar I have on my bench right now that I haven't shown you yet. Just my double doors out of here. Salvaged organization racks from the hardware store I work at. Retired from general building contractor and cabinet shop guy. And this thing right here is the sled for my table saw, my square cutoff sled for that, so it just slides across the top. And we're back to the messy corner. So now we're going to turn around, and we got a clamp cart right there. So this area here is just the saw and outfeed table and work table, all that good stuff. Grizzly saw. Bought that thing when I was extremely broke because I needed a saw. I was running a cabinet shop with a borrowed saw. Anyway, and then I went ahead and spent more for the Beesmeyer fence years down the road than I actually spent for the Grizzly saw. But the fence is killer. And I have that set up to a dust collector below the saw blade. And the top, you still get some throw off there, but it's a little, actually, another little Grizzly tool there, or dust collector. And I actually have a couple of those that I inherited from a gal that used to rent part of my other shop. I don't think I've posted any of these yet, working on this little, it's the Nighthawk copy on the body. It's a neck through the, I'm going to move this. So, neck through the neck heel, of course, that's not even close to being, carved into how it's going to be, but I got it recessed in the back. Sapilli and mahogany, neck through the 4 and 2 peg head. Control cavity there. And so use the same wood out of the same block for the peg head veneer, fretboard, and the body veneers, caps, whatever you want to call them. I did some videos of that. I'm not sure where it's going or how much of that I'm going to bother posting, but they have been recorded. And then I got, after going up, the Duck Dynasty mats are great. They work great for pads. It's just a foam doormat. I don't have a thing for Duck Dynasty, but the mats were practically free. So they work out really good for that. Got an acoustic here. I just finished up the 12-string Takamine neck reset and bridge re-glue and all that kind of stuff on that guitar. Loose braces and all kinds of stuff. This guy has all this Sovereign, and it says it was made in the USA, right there. I don't know if you can see that or not, but that's what that says. Made in the USA. And it's already been broken and repaired once. You can see that extra crack going through there. It's actually solid. I tried to pop that apart and I'm not getting any movement out of it. The peghead lamination or veneer here is loose all the way around. Gosh, I gotta look at the camera instead of the thing. Anyway, this veneer is loose all around, so I'll probably see if I can get that to separate and reglue it. The truss rod channel, I guess this was supposed to be a shop video and it's turned into a guitar video. Where's the, there it is. The truss rod cavity in this thing is huge. So when I get it all glued back together, I'm going to go ahead, get how big that, get that relationship to something here, and I'll actually have a ruler of sorts. Another StewMac necessity. That's a half-inch trench they put into that thing for the truss rod. So once I get that peg head back on there, I'm gonna, you know, run some slots up the back side of the neck and put some, I can't remember what the word is. Anyway, some reinforcement, whether it's going to be a spline, there we go, some sort of spline, I don't know, probably make it out of maple or some contrasting wood, maybe wingate, something ridiculously hard. If I had some carbon fiber on hand, I'd use that. Anyway, so, oh, and here's a teaser for you. I just got a 1950, I'm just kind of panning again, just got a 1950 Martin 0018 dropped off yesterday. Probably going to be a neck reset on that thing, and so that should be fun. And there again, I'll probably do some video of that. Let's see what kind of responses we get from this one. I don't know, the other ones haven't been very good. I realize I'm not a videographer, I'm a guitar guy, so maybe they're just not that interesting.